Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. Firstly, we need to check if you have the latest software version, so open Xiaomi Earbuds application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, and after that you will see this menu and you need to scroll down and click at the update firmware. Firmware is the same as software. The most important is that you need to sign in into your account, because without it you cannot check for updates or update software version. After you sign in, you just tap at this line, and if you see this in the information, it means that you have the latest software version. If you haven't, you can enter inside this line and update it. So then, if you haven't new software version, if it didn't help you, next step is to perform a software set. To perform a software set, put both your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case, and now your earbuds disconnected from your phone. Then you open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. After that, check, is your problem fixed? If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory set. To perform a factory set, we need to also put both of these earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. At the bottom we have connection button, and you need to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds. So let's go. Firstly, start blinking white, it's okay, don't worry, just keep holding this control. Here we go. Now we can release the finger, and then we need to remove them from the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top. If you have this button, if you have iOS, turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. And after factory set, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. And we did it. Now, if it also didn't help you, I recommend it to fully charge your earbuds. So put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case and connect charging case to the power. Then fully charge them, and after that you can open the charging case, return to the application and check, is it fixed? And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.